friends, welcome to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about Lenovo Legion Y9000K gaming laptop, and it is come with the capability of featuring the Intel Core i9-12900HX CPU and NVIDIA's GeForce RTX 3080 GPU inside the system, along with dual fans and complete vapor chamber cooling. And friend, the cooling technology is unique for a notebook, but the Lenovo Legion Y9000K laptop has a peak CPU power rated at 175 watt TDP, while the average TDP is rated at 115 watt, and the GPU will see a consistent cooling performance of 175 watt. And friend, the motherboard is the HM670, which allows for an optional 32GB DDR5 4800 memory for the laptops, and the Savior Y9000K will support overclocking up to DDR5 5400 memory with the capability of 2 PCIe 4.0 SSD drives. Battery capacity offers 99 hours with a 300 watt AC adapter. And friend, this laptop series offers a 16-inch screen with a resolution of 2560 into 1600 pixels and up to 240 Hz refresh rate, 500 nits of brightness, and contrast ratio of 1200 jam as well as whole 100% color gamut. And friend, two Thunderbolt 4 ports, HDMI port, RJ45 network port, and USB Type-C port allowing 135 watt charging. And friend, if I talk about the pricing, the accepted price range around 3000 to 4000 USD dollars. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.